Previously on Road Trip Warriors, we hit a few hill climbs, sessioned some logs, and nearly ran out of fuel before making it back to camp, concluding part 2. Join us this weekend on Road Trip Warriors as we collaborate with Life of Pleasure for part 3 of our dirt bike camping trip. During this episode, we travel to Cinder Hills Off-Highway Vehicle Area in Flagstaff, Arizona. Here we find plenty of wicked hill climbs, beautiful sights, and take time to enjoy life. Here we are, Adventure Squad. Grab your gear and let's go. Today we will be riding Cinder Hills OHV Area. Here's a map of the trail system. It's located near what was once the Sunset Crater volcano. A volcano? This will make for some interesting terrain. Let's ride. As we leave camp and hit the trails, we find the rock we are riding on is very loose and grainy. It almost feels as though we are riding through sand dunes.
That looks intense. I just get into second gear and fucking shit can it. Ready?
Yeah?
Ready! Well, here we go.
Oh no. No fucking way. Try getting a little bit more speed for it. I hope you guys are loving this right now. This is fucking nuts. Dumping fuel right now. Look how fucking far you made it. I think it'll be scarier coming down. This dude's gonna be going 70. He's getting his dance moves on, son. You get it, girl? You ain't need no man.
You went down, huh? This kind of sucks coming down.
Yeah, I thought so. You were dancing quite a bit.
Coming down?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta fucking ski, basically.
Oh, my mirror's gone.
Oh no.
Shitty Amazon mirrors.
Only had it a week.
Dude, I can't believe you made it.
I think you gotta give it one more go.
You were tractoring it. I'll give it a go.
You down with that or what?
Oh yeah, I'm down.
Stepping up our game, dude.
Yeah.
This is the craziest shit I've ever done on a dirt bike. That right there is probably the craziest.
Jared wants to press onwards to progressively larger, steeper, and more technical hills. Let's see if we can keep up.
Fucking slippery, huh?
Yeah.
I'm listening to some hillbilly banjo watching you do that.
What are you doing back there?
Hiding from the sun.
Oh,
This shit is insane though.
it is big, dude.
You do gotta fucking give it all, like, pretty much just grab throttle and pray for God. If you start losing grip, then you lean back a little bit and puts a little extra weight on the back. The tire comes off, lean forward. I thought I was gonna get like a quarter of the way up the first time, and I fucking ripped it all the way to the top, and I'm like, yeah! Meet you at the top?
I'll try it.
Alright.
No way. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea how he makes it up there, but I suppose we have to. Here we go, try 2. That was so sick!
It's a fucking cloud of smoke all the way up.
Really? Holy
Dude, that was fucking sick.
Did you see it from behind or up here?
I was like 50 feet behind you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just fucking plowing through smoke and shit.
Oh,
I was
man.
gonna come up the side and I saw you were fucking killing it, so I just jumped in right behind you.
Oh, yeah. About 3/4 of the way up, I'm like, oh, fuck, I think I'm making this.
But doesn't it take forever to get up?
Yeah, dude, you're like
You're halfway and you're like, all right, I'm at the top. Brrr, what the fuck?
like 35, 40 seconds to get up it. That one looks higher almost. Should we hit that?
Yeah, let's hit that one next.
Climbing the hills is quite challenging. After finding the technique, we roar up the side of this massive lava rock hill in third. Success. I hope you guys are loving this progression you're seeing in this video. We're getting a lot of riding in, a lot of practice, having a whole lot of fun.
That's gonna be the most extreme thing I've ever done right here.
Holy shit! I can't believe we made that for you guys. We are up here. We continue to climb more challenging slopes. After working our bikes to their peaks, we take a break for a beautiful sight overlooking Flagstaff.
So I'm gonna fucking dig this pole into the ground.
Oh yeah. We're on some next level shit out on the moon. Got these selfie stick kickstands. Only $10. This is so cool, dude.
Seeing the world.
Yeah.
Hello, people. Best friends, familiar faces, everybody out there in the world. Other continents, countries, worlds, Mars, universes, everything out there. Hello, everybody. Hello. I hope you're seeing this. I hope you love it. Peace.
Beautiful. After a bit more riding, we decide to head back to camp. We've lost Jared where Ted lost ourselves, but judging by the map, I think if we go this way, we'll be able to get back to camp. Hopefully Jared will be there waiting for us. If not, hopefully he has cell service, I'll give him a call. This gate's closed, but I came from the inside of it. I don't know why it's closed. Yeah, I like just got back, so it was like perfect timing.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, like literally just
Did you
rolled.
take the road?
Yeah, I ended up on that one, and I came this way though, which I thought I was going like.
Well, I know
to
the
come.
road does like a big U or whatever, so I went across the fucking middle.
Yeah.
But I ended up like out of bounds way over there.
I did too, actually. We begin to plan for our next location, southern Utah.
That'd be fucking fun to climb.
Hey, it's Dylan here. Thanks for joining us this weekend on Road Trip Warriors for part 3 of our dirt bike camping trip with Life of Pleasure. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below. Search for us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and give us a follow. Also, check out our shop on Facebook and buy some of your very own Road Trip Warriors merch. Again, thank you guys for watching our video and sharing it with your friends. And go over and check out Life of Pleasure's take on this trip. See you next weekend.